Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start now by power cycling the Xbox and router. You want clean devices before changing settings. You hold the console power for 10 seconds until it shuts off, then unplug the router for 30 seconds. Once done, reconnect the router and boot the Xbox. Make sure you're within about 3 to 6 meters and avoid obstructions. Wi-Fi weakens through walls. You should also confirm the network name and WPA2 password, so you can log in immediately and test connectivity without delays. Next, dive into the Xbox network settings to resolve band conflicts and addressing issues. You should switch to 5 GHz for lower interference if both devices support it, or force 4 GHz when range matters. Once connected, set a static IP on the console or create a DHCP reservation on the router so addresses don't change. Also check for system updates, and if you still have trouble, clear the alternate MAC address and reboot. That often removes cached conflicts and restores stable negotiation. Finish by running the Xbox network test to verify speed and NAT type. This confirms whether online features will work. If NAT is strict or moderate, open or forward Xbox Live ports on the router and reboot both devices. Once done, test multiplayer and downloads to confirm stability. If problems persist, reset the console's network settings to factory defaults or temporarily plug in via Ethernet to isolate Wi-Fi issues. One key troubleshooting tip: if changes don't stick, reboot the router after every setting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.